The idea of traveling alone can be both exciting and daunting, but with the right preparation and mindset, solo travel can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. In this video, we will show you how to stay safe and make the most of your solo adventure. The first step in planning a solo trip is to do your research. Learn about the destination, its culture, and customs. Make a detailed itinerary and copies of important documents, and don't forget to learn some basic phrases in local language. Knowing a few words can go a long way in an emergency situation. When it comes to accommodation, hostels are a great option for solo travelers. Not only are they budget friendly, but they also provide an opportunity to meet other travelers and make friends. Just be sure to choose a reputable one and check the reviews before booking. Safety should always be your top priority when traveling alone. Be aware of your surroundings and don't flash valuables. It's also a good idea to let trusted friend or family member know where you're going and when you will be back. And if you find yourself in a dangerous situation, don't hesitate to ask for help or call a local emergency number. One of the best things about solo travel is the freedom to do what you want when you want. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Whether it's trying local foods or joining an organized tour, make sure to make the most of your solo adventure. Solo travel can be a life-changing experience. It's an opportunity to discover new places, meet new people, and learn more about yourself. Remember to stay safe, stay open-minded, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for watching and happy travel.